change your perspective about money. You know, if you change your perspective on money, you'll find that money will come to you a lot easier. You won't be spending things on things that aren't helpful for you. And when bills come in, they won't feel stressful. They'll feel effortless. Like this cloudy, beautiful day. Look at that. It's like out of a painting. It's gorgeous, isn't it? So how do we change our relationship with money? Let me give you a personal story. I used to be very stressed out about money. Pinching pennies, counting every dollar. And I just never seemed to have enough. It was hard. I didn't feel good. And then one day I said to myself, you know what, Ian, I'm going to change my relationship with money. Instead of fearing money, I'm going to love it. Money and I are going to be best friends. We're going to be gal pals. We're going to be the cream of the crop. We're going to be BFFFs forevers. So how do you do this, right? Here's how you do it. Whenever you get a bill, whenever you have to pay for something, whether it's your rent, food, insurance, anything, think about that as high-fiving your best friend. Sweet, I get to pay a bill, high five. I get to pay for this beautiful home I'm living in, high five. I get to pay for this car insurance, high five. It makes you feel good, yeah, this is fun. And why do you do this? Like, what's the point? Because it changes your relationship with money. So when you have the ability to earn more money, whether it's through your business, through investments, through side hustles, when you get to that perspective, money going out feels good and money coming in feels good. Of course, everybody loves money coming in. Nobody likes money coming out. But if you love money coming out, you'll start to train your brain to love it, and then you'll find more and more patterns for your reality, find better situations, solutions, monetary gains. And remember, anything you make money on, you always want to look for win-win situations. Things that make you feel good, that make other people feel good, that provide value to society. You are perfect. I love you. So this was just a short little video about how to change your mindset around money. This is your money mindset. Believe you can be, do, or have anything you want in life. Take massive action and believe you are already successful. You have to believe you're already successful to get everything you want in life. I love you all. Happy dreaming. Subscribe if you're not already. Like this video and comment below your new money mindset. What is your new money mindset? I bet it's pretty great. I love you. Look at that sun. Look at that sun. It's beautiful. Beautiful.